How's it going, guys? Tim with LCB once again. We got Charles taking out 2 of my last 3 Topps Chrome Hobby boxes 2019. Last one's in the store, guys. Whoever wants it, grab it. And we have a couple spots left in our last weight class case that needs 2 more to guarantee. Alright, there's your packs. Bestie. Well. Yep. Diamond Hotbox, Charles. Apparently nobody had hit that yet. I honestly wasn't keeping track. One of them was the diamond. And each diamond we've had so far had 3 autos. Doesn't mean this one will. Added value. I guess that's fitting, actually. Very fitting. Got beat up in the divisional. Keep the diamond out of the personal box breaks. Okay, first stack ready to go. Ooh. Peter Yan taking a spill. Okay, nice Saki. First diamond. Yana. Yana. Nice card. Couple nice diamonds to start. Ashley Yoder, and your first numbered, Pollyanna Viana. That's the super from earlier. Blue Wave for her rookie, 37 out of 75. Kevin Lee, Izzy. Knockout parallel, that's at a 99 Wave. Islam again? Yes, it was. Another nice solid rookie, diamond, Islam. Caitlin Vieira. Nunez. Variation Nunez. Nope, still haven't found that Nunez variation. Dern on the 84. Pettis. First auto's nice one. Jared Cannonier. Solid name. Honestly, just super scary fighter. Like I said earlier. Nice card. Cannonier, 1 auto out. Rest of the diamond box. Dern. Got the Dern diamond. Very nice. Macy Barber underneath that. Garbrandt. Well, Mike Perry. Stipe on the octagon. We got an Oliveira and a JJ. Or JJX. Green out of 99 on the Joanna. Volkov and your X Factors, Jimmy Rivera. There's the whammy. He is not in the UFC. Okay. Still got an auto or 2 to find. Robert Whitaker. Blades Mojo. Khabib. There's a second one. It's a nice one. Marion Renaud. Listed as a bantam, but I could have swore she was a feather. Checklist. Is she a... No, she's not. She is on the bantams. Huh. If I would have guessed, I would have said she was a featherweight, but oh well. Marion Renaud and Jared Cannonier. Little diamond Macy Barber. Marcin Tybura. Holtzman on the diamond rookie, Nagano and Carl Roberson. No second auto out of the diamond box, but you got 2 nice ones, Cannonier and Renaud. On to box 2. Nobody has a feather. Can't argue it now. And almost there. Nick Bro, I think I see an order coming through for you. Last box for Nick. Officially sold out, guys. If you'd like to get in, we got that second weight class break coming right up. All right, Charles. Your X Factor's Khabib. Probably couldn't have got a better one. Maybe a rookie. Nice Khabib. Future Stars. Espinino. Kovlikevich is the Fire. Lucy. Jose Aldo and Matt Hughes. Ricardo Lamas, Blue Wave, about a 75. He was good once upon a time for a short time. Dern base. Izzy on the 84, second stack. TJ, we got a green of T-Wood out of 99. Jessica Andrade, that's out of 99, Wave Parallel. Latifi, Cormier, Shevchenko, and Nunes. Last stack. Here it is. 2 autos must be hiding. Nice Askren, rookie refractor. There you go, my friend. Nice auto. Bullet, Valentina Shevchenko. Thought that might be the variation, but no, it would be numbered if it was. Nice card. Flyweight auto, Shevchenko. Oh, that was the Askren variation, too. Yep, Askren was a variation. We just pulled one of those not too long ago, actually. Second one of those on the night. That'll probably sell pretty well. All right, Shevchenko added to the autograph list. Let's find out who your last one is. Hiding somewhere in here. Macy Barber, Future Stars. Ostovich, Refractor. Man, I was really friggin' hoping that would be a Holly. I see your last auto. It's on the bottom now. Macy Barber. Cannoneer, that crazy name that nobody can pronounce, and Hot Sauce. That's a nice card. 4 quality autos. No whammies in there for you. Scott Holtzman, aka Hot Sauce. And just in case anybody missed it, Shevchenko has signed as Bullet this year. Second one we pulled tonight. It's safe to assume most of them are like that, if not all. There you go, Charles. Thank you very much, buddy. Nick, you want that last box now, buddy? Fernando Tatis auto. Sounds good. All right, let's change that. Live box spray. Get it right this time.